The WRT3920 high-efficiency EPA-certified wood-burning fireplace is a compact and stylish heater. And with a clean-face design and expansive viewing area, the WRT3920 allows you to take pleasure in the beauty of an unobstructed fire. Advanced combustion system technology and variable combustion air control allow you to enjoy extended continuous burns, greatly reducing the need to add more wood to the fire. The WRT3920 features a 2.0 cubic foot insulated firebox that accepts up to 18-inch log size for increased performance. Optional surrounds are also available. The WRT3920 is backed by our 20-year limited warranty. Superior Fireplaces. Our name is our promise.